Sophia. We saw your idea and we have to say you are a super creative kid.
We love your drawing, so we decided to bring it to life.
Whoa! Here is! Are you ready? Drawing art kit. It will help you to organize your paint, your brushes, and art supplies. And you can keep creating amazing things.
It comes with 2 special compartments to keep everything organized.
Robot Art Kit will be so happy to join your own all adventures.
Bye and keep creating.